I started my journey with Little Millennium around 8 years back. At that time I was 22 years of age. तो उस समय मेरे को इतना knowledge नहीं था about preschool industry and all, but it was my passion to enter into the education industry.
In 2019, just before COVID, we took franchisee of Little Millennium. And since then, the journey has been very smooth and very enriching.
Early childhood education plays a vital role in shaping the life of our little ones. Choosing this franchise Little Millennium stemmed up from my passion for early education and a structured curriculum.
I discovered Little Millennium with my best friend Anshu Rani, and today proudly I'm running 2 centers.
तो स्टार्टिंग में तो ऐसा था कि हमें एडमिशन्स के लिए फ़ाइट करना पड़ता था, रन करना पड़ता था, मार्केटिंग करनी पड़ती थी. बट नाउ इट्स लाइक के पेरेंट्स इवन वेट फॉर एडमिशन्स इन आवर लिटिल मिलेनियम ब्रांच.
Little Millennium, as we all know, has the award-winning 7-petal curriculum, and it is not just the curriculum. Along with the curriculum comes the support and guidance. The guidance which we all need. The guidance in marketing, the guidance in child development, creating events, and so on.
We started Little Millennium in 2019, and just after that, the COVID started. And in our place, all the schools were closed, but the Little Millennium team, it was first to start the online classes, and it was a huge support and help for all the students, all the young learners to be there on the screen during COVID times. That made a huge impact on the entire education family.
तो एक सबसे अच्छी बात मेरे को जो लगती है वो हर साल एक टीचर एक्सीलेंस अवार्ड होता है. तो उसमें ये रहता है कि हमारे टीचर्स को जो बेस्ट टीचर, जो बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टीचर होगा, क्योंकि हर महीने ऑडिट्स होते हैं टीचर के फ्रॉम द लिटिल मिलेनियम एकेडमिक्स टीम. तो अकॉर्डिंग टू दोज ऑडिट्स जो भी बेस्ट परफॉर्मिंग टीचर होता है उनको स्पेशल रिकॉग्नाइजेशन मिलता है एंड एक अवार्ड सेरेमनी होती है, उसमें अवार्ड मिलता है. Even the counselor of the school get the special recognition if she is completing the targets, and as a business partner we also get the recognitions if we do something special in the center and do something new for the school.
If we talk about today, it's been more than 1 year. So even LM is giving us continuous support, whether it's in academic, marketing, finance. It's just a call away.
Thank you, Team Little Millennium, for all the support and the help which you provide to all the franchisees in maintaining the high standard and quality of education in preschools.
Running a preschool is a challenge as well as it's quite fulfilling. And it needs a lot of effort, but it is very rewarding. So I am a proud owner of Little Millennium Dholpur, and I thank Team Little Millennium for being so supportive. The Little Millennium brand is going to take us much ahead. Thank you so much.
So आज की डेट में अगर कोई प्री स्कूल खोलने की सोच रहा है, and I would highly recommend Little Millennium because of their end-to-end guidance.
Thank you so much for having us. Thank you.
And I think this is one of the best preschool chains in India this time.